Traders, I did a video earlier on trading gold. What I want to do with this is be completely irresponsible. Okay, we're going to go back and we're going to take the majority of the buy and sell signals that we see, and we're going to disregard our higher time frame for our pullback rule. Let's go back, say, to the 9th here, Monday the 9th of December. Well, we know we got some buy signals ahead of us, but what we'll do is we'll throw in the bar replay, start from here, and let's take every buy and sell signal and see how they stack up. The only problem is we can only enter one of these at a time. Never mind, we'll see how we go. So we're looking for either a buy or a sell. Okay, we've got a buy signal. I'm a little bit late to the party. Normally you would jump in on the next candle, but that's fine. We're just going to go for a standard 2R target. Stop loss under this yellow line, and we'll just go for 2R. Play it, and let's see how we go. Notice my target is slightly under this previous daily high, and stop loss is slightly under this yellow line. That's something to consider when you're entering these trades. Okay, there's another buy signal we could have taken there. Let's just jump in with two positions, long position on that signal. Okay, so we're building our position. I'm going to go with a similar stop loss to our target. Let's see how that panned out. Continue on. And we're definitely going to lose some, but the idea is 2R. See, now we are 6R in front. Okay, so we're up 6. And this builds a buffer. Continue on. Another buy signal. Okay, so we enter on the next candle. Well, right here. Tight stop to our target. Well, that's reached. So we're up 8R. Continue on. Another buy signal, long position, right next to it. Go for 2R, tight stop. So we're up 8. So we've got 8R buffer, an 8R buffer. Carry on. Okay, that got touched. That's a 10R buffer. So we can afford to lose a couple. Just make a note. We're up 10R, and we'll continue on because this will shift gears at some stage. Another buy, 3 of them through here. So we add to our position. Well, that would have been an entry there. Tight stop. Well, there's another 2R reach, 2.5R right there. See that? Okay, so that's a 11R profit. Carry on. Okay, so we're up 11. Now we just wait for another signal. Let it run. Buy right there. The trend's starting to shift. We can see that. But it might not be a good idea to actually go long here. It's traded above this daily high, and we can see the reaction. So, price action is telling me not to buy. But, we're just going to be completely irresponsible, as I said, and run with this. 2R. There it is. Play. Another buy signal. Well, that's looking okay. So there's 1, 2, 3. So we could have entered 3 times through this level here. 11, 13, 15. You know what I'm saying? So, we're well and truly ahead. Let's just see if we can cause problems. In any case, we'll go another buy. Tight stop under here. 2R. That's reached. So I guess we're looking at probably about, 15 to 18R here. Let's just call it 15. Okay, we're just adding to our position. We'll just let them close at 2R. There's another one. Stop it right there. Okay, we'll enter another long. Buy. Go for 2R. Right, there it is. 2R. Tight stop. Play. Another buy. You could enter that. Another buy. You could enter that. Okay, so these 2 or 3 trades all reached their target. Maybe one of them didn't. That last one, possibly. Oh no, it did. There you go. The buy was right there, and that's exactly 2R. So we're probably up, let's just call it 20R and see what else happens. Because at some stage it's going to turn around and, it won't be trending. All right, so we've got a buffer. There's another buy. There's 2 of them. All right, we'll just go in once. 2R, tight stop, buy. Nice tight stop. Let's play it. Okay, that got taken out. So we're up 20, down 1. Okay, so that reduces our profit to 19R. We might see a couple of sell signals perhaps. See what happens here. Okay, stop it right there. There's a sell. Stop loss above. TP, 2R. That's exactly it. Alright, we'll play that. Very tight stop, guys. That got taken out. Fair enough. So we're down 18R. Now your stop loss could have been above that yellow line. Let's see what happens in that case. The yellow line being a previous daily. Did we get away with that? So we're down 2R. We could enter here again short on that sell signal. Tight stop, guys. And 2R is already reached here. Okay, so I know, we're up another 2R. So the 2R we lost are now recovered. So let's just call it an even 20R again. Play. I want to see a bit of choppy price action. And remember, if we're trading a 4-hour time frame trend, then the entry points are going to be a lot more precise. Let's sell here. Stop above that yellow. TP, yeah, that'll do. Play. Stop above the yellow line. The yellow is a previous daily. See how it traded to it? Okay, that's fine. So we've lost another R, and we're up, okay, 20 to 19. But you see what I'm getting at, right? So sell here, go for 2R, right? Let's see if that gets reached. So we lost 1. Yeah, we've just gained another 2R. And now the HTF zone has kicked in. So that's in our favor. We could sell again. There you go. There's another sell signal. Okay, so, some of these that are getting taken out are cancelling out once we... Oh, what have I done? I made a mistake, sorry. Are cancelling out with the next 2R gain. Okay, let it play. Coming down. Target reach. So I guess you get the picture. What we could do is just stop it here. I'll mark up where we're at. I'll put an eyeball on it. And let's just go out and get a bit of a sense of short position sell of what could have been. All right, so 2R target. Okay, there's a winner. So we're up 20 pretty much. We've made up for a couple of losses. There's another sell signal. All right, now we're accumulating another 4R potentially here. So there's another 4R. So let's just call it 24R. The pullback here, there's another sell. 2R reach, no issue whatsoever. Okay, 24, 26R. This one down here might have been a not so happy outcome. Fair enough. 26 back to 25. We only lose 1R. And now we're seeing some buy signals. Now we're not even looking at this background, this shaded background. We're just going purely off these buy and sell signals. Let's take that out, the trend track. So it's easy to see here. If we buy these guys, tight stop, 2R target. All right. So you may have gained 2R here and maybe lost 3R. You know what I'm saying? If you took each of these buy signals. And again, I want to point out that you can reduce this loss by including our 4-hour time frame checkbox. Is a thing that we do with our 4-hour chart to ensure that we're getting in at the right spot in terms of how price action is playing out. But again, I'm being completely irresponsible. So, with these here, let's just pull it back to 20R. Okay, there's a sell. That's added another 2R easily. There's a buy. It's added another 2R. These through here are adding 2, 4, 6, 8R. 10R. Okay, this buy will add another 2R, 12. Right, this one might get taken out, so less 1. These will work out, 12. So, 2R here. Tight stop under the previous low. Let's just see what 2R looks like. Okay, maybe you lost those. Fair enough. So 12, lose a couple, so back to 10, if you know what I'm saying. Gain another 2, gain another 2. And that's a way that we can trade gold by simply taking every one of these buy and sell signals. And I think we're up about 20R, to be honest, or more. We've lost a couple here and there, but every time you gain 2R and that multiplies, it certainly cancels out a 1R loss. Now, depending on your risk, you could be risking $100 every trade. So 1R is $100, 2R, is a $200 return. And we're definitely up on this one. Take it to the next level, and we include our 4-hour, trending strategy where we look to get involved on, if it's trending under this white line, the mean here, we look to get involved on a pullback like so on the 4-hour time frame. This is a bullish example, so we're looking for our, our entry point when the signals fire at these points. Let's have a quick look at that. So there's a point of interest here, there, and another one here, right? So this is where we reduce our loss and increase our win. Let's have a look at these 3 points. And I'll just throw my eyeball in, and that's going back to the what? Oh, that's actually the 9th of December, righto. So let's have a look and see what these 3 points look like on the 9th of December. I have to say, though, I do like the idea of just taking every single buy and sell. Yeah, 9th of December, go to. Right, this was a bullish trend, and you can see what we're doing here. We're pulling this trend line following the 4-hour price swing back, and then we're looking for the entry precisely. So we would take that. And again, when the 4-hour extends and retraces, then we'd be looking at this buy signal here, right there. 4-hour Okay, extend the 4-hour retraces, and what we're looking at is Fibonacci swing point low to high, and we want an entry point after the pullback into 50%. Okay, then another entry in this case would be at this signal here, given that it's pulled into 50 and it's starting to move on. All right, so that's one way we can reduce our risk. You know, that one might have been taken out. That's fair enough. You know, you lose one, but you've gained however many. But what does this look like on the chart? Let's just go to this point in time, and we'll give it a not such a happy face. I'll put two of them there so we can identify it. In fact, it's the 11th of December. So what does that look like on the 4-hour? And, you know, would we have taken it or not? So 11th of December on the 4H. All right, here it is. Well, yeah, I would have gone for that, guys. But that's fine. No. Here's the thing, by the way. I've been telling my members about this Wednesday reversal that's been occurring. And have a look and see where we're at here. This is Wednesday the 11th. See the reversal? So we've been very, very cautious midweek, expecting runs on liquidity and reversals. So this is one that we may have avoided, okay? And then we're looking for the continuation when the trend starts again. And we want these reversals, you know, where it expands and retraces, and then we're looking to get in on the this rotation when it's trending. Anyway, guys, I would invite you to join VIP and give this a 2-week trial. Check it out for yourself. You're going to gain access to the indicators on the trial. See how it works for you. The trial has changed going into 2025. You gain instant access to the indicators, unlike pre-2025. So guys, give it 2 weeks. It won't cost you anything. And here's the way to do that. Head over to my website and I'll show you something. You can gain instant access. This is immediate access. You don't have to wait. You're going to need the gold for the indicators. Scroll down. So silver will give you the Forex channel without the indicators. Gold will give you the indicators. And it'll give you an additional crypto signals channel on top of the Forex channel. This is a good one. So go to gold, click that. It'll take you to this page. You can see exactly what's going on here. And there's 2 ways you can gain access, right? It'll give you 2 weeks. And what I'm proposing is you cover it's going to be $49.95 after the 2 weeks, but cover this in the 2 weeks with my signals, with my mentorship videos, with the indicators. Cover that so that this is free forever, if you know what I'm saying. Now this, if you click this link here, will give you instant access, immediate access to everything. If you go down to Stripe or PayPal, I'm going to have to manually onboard you, and you need to allow up to 24 hours for access to everything. But this one here will take you to WAP. This is a fantastic platform, and you can just scroll down and, you know, that's the package you want. Here's what you get, and you gain instant access to everything. Go down to the bottom and you can click Get Access. It won't charge you, and as I said, you have instant access. So guys, definitely jump on board and see how this can change your life and really enhance your game as a trader. So I hope you've had a fantastic Christmas and New Year's celebration, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.